In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use our professionally designed components to transform your Notion site into a modern, polished, and professional website. WebeeUI offers over 100 plus professionally designed components. On the Components page, you'll find clear instructions for setting up our default styles. Explore sections like Hero, Logo Cloud, callouts, landing pages, and more. Let's take a look at the Hero section in our preview. You'll see multiple variations, each designed for a clean, modern look. You can also test responsiveness to see how the design adapts across mobile, tablet, and desktop devices. Explore our Feature section components, professionally designed and ready to use. Each style is available in multiple modern themes. Pick the one that best aligns with your brand and website aesthetic. Let's create a new landing page using our components. To use WebeeUI in Bullet or Super, start by duplicating our components library into your own workspace. I've already duplicated it here for this demo. Inside, you'll find templates, components, and website builder pages. Make sure to read the important setup instructions before you start creating your site. Let's create a page and add each component to it. I'll start by selecting a Hero section and dragging it into my Notion page. Next, I'll add a Feature section, the Logo Cloud, and other content blocks like the Status section. You'll see how easy it is to build a complete page by simply dragging and dropping these pre-designed components. After adding all components to your page, click on a component block and choose Turn into Heading 1 to convert it into a full component block. Each component includes a unique code block with class names for styling. It's important not to remove these code blocks. They ensure your site's CSS is applied correctly. You can still adjust headings and sections to match your site's structure and branding. Once your Notion page is ready, drag this template page into your own Notion page. Select the entire component block, turn it into a heading 1, and then remove the heading 1. This will convert it into a fully ready-to-use page. Once your Notion page is ready, copy the share link. Go to your website builder dashboard, save Notion publish URL. You'll see a WebeeUI components page, quick setup instructions. You'll see a code block with the default WebeeUI styles. Be sure to copy the head and body code snippets and paste them into your site builder's code settings. After publishing your pages, you'll notice that only the default WebeeUI styles are applied. Component-specific styles won't appear yet. If you want to apply all WebeeUI component styles, use our Live Preview feature. Simply copy your site URL and create Site in WebeeUI Live Preview page. You'll see your site rendered in our Live Preview. Click on the Theme section to see a list of all your components included in the page. Click the Apply All Theme button to apply all WebeeUI styles to your site. We also provide controls to adjust padding and margin for each component, so you can fine-tune the spacing between sections. After making your adjustments, save your changes. Next, go to the Code section in the Live Preview. Here, you'll find all the CSS code for your current styles. Copy this code, go to your website builder dashboard, and paste it into the CSS code section. Finally, save and publish your changes. Now, when you visit your site, it will be fully designed with WebeeUI styles. Thank you for using WebeeUI. If you found this video helpful, we'd love your feedback. Please share your